Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics 10. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to create bottle mockups in Photoshop. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, I have downloaded this image from unsplash.com. It is pretty easy to find actually. So I'm going to create this, or rather I'm going to select this area over here like this. It's pretty easy to select, and I will remove this excess area that I have selected using the subtract option over here. Now I am going to press Ctrl J to duplicate this selected area, and if you are using Mac then Command J. So it will create a duplicate selected area. So I am going to use this design now to create the mockup, and you can make this shape or image bigger to fit the area. So this is how it looks. Now I'm going to use the clipping mask option. So create clipping mask. So this is looking rather unrealistic. So make it more realistic, we need to use an option called as blend if. So simply right click on the layer, blending options, and in this blending options you can find the blend if option right at the bottom. So using this underlying layer option we can create realistic mockups. So if you move these points, there are 2 points, this one is called as black point and white point. If you move these both points you can get these results, but as you can see the result is drastic, but we want a gradual change. So if you want a gradual change, we need to split this point. So how to do it? So simply press Alt key, and if you're using Mac then Option key and left click to split the point and work it out. And as soon as you get the result, desired result, stop it right there like this. So this looks pretty good to me. Actually we can see the lights and all, so it makes it more realistic. So stop it whenever you are happy or satisfied. Again I'm going to use this white point also like this. Again split it, Alt left click, split the point, and just make sure we get the shine so that it looks more realistic. So but make sure that you don't overuse it. So this looks pretty good to me actually, this one. So press OK. So this is looking pretty good. So if we compare this, so this is before and this is after, looks pretty good to me. And again to make it even more realistic we can use another option. So simply go to select the layer first, that is the important thing. Select the layer, go to edit and go to transform and use the warp option. And you can also get the same warp option by simply pressing Ctrl T or Command T. Now change it accordingly like this. As this bottle obviously is round, so try to make it cylindrical so that it looks realistic like this. These subtle changes makes the design more realistic. Just remember that, because our subconscious mind picks these little things. That's why it looks more realistic. It may look very tiny change, but as I said, our subconscious mind picks these little things. So this looks, I think, pretty good to me. And press enter whenever you are satisfied, press enter. So this is before and this is after. I will show you one more example and I'm going to use the same design. So this is another type of bottle, and you can always use any design that you want. I'm just using this for this particular example. So as you can see, I have already duplicated the area and we need to do the same thing. So I'm going to press Shift and stretch the image to fit the area like this. So press enter Again, use right click and clipping mask option. Again, we need to use the same option. Go to blending options and blend if. So again, to split the points, first slide the point, then alt left click to split the point, and just see if the shine is visible. So, and make sure that you don't make it too shiny so it looks fake. Our aim is to make it realistic. So I think this looks pretty good to me. Again, white point. So right over here, left click, alt left click. As you can see, this shine effect makes it more realistic. So slight shine effect. I want to move this white point, so this looks pretty good to me. Press OK, and again we need to do the final step. So again, select edit, transform, go to warp, and slightly change the shape to make it more realistic. As you can see over here, you can always try to change the shape from here, whatever makes it more realistic, but make sure to not use it too much. So this looks pretty good to me, pretty realistic. So press enter, and this is before and this is after. Okay, so this is how we can create with easy steps bottle mockups and using some different options in Photoshop. So I hope this video proves useful to you, and if you do find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.